Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. And I do forget to ask y'all, but if you will take the time to like and subscribe. So if you subscribe, if you hit the subscribe button below, and you have to hit it a couple of times, it'll turn all dark, and that way you'll get notifications of my videos. I pretty much have a video post every day. Sometimes I have more than one video if I have an announcement to make or anything like that. Hey Smudge, come on up. I haven't seen you in a while. So if you would like to do that, then you'll be notified of my videos. But I'm gonna do, this is Mask Monday, and I do this every week. It is a community of lots of people that do this. I have tagged Mask Monday ladies, Mask Monday friends, and Mask Monday, and through those hashtags you can find lots of people that do this. And come on up, Smudge. And we just try to take a little bit of time out of our week to take a little care of ourselves, because it's so important. We all lead very, very busy lives, and sometimes we don't even have a minute to ourselves. And I go to bed every night late because I don't have a minute to myself. Here is Smudge. He hasn't been on camera in a while because Camille, who's right here, is hogging up all the space. So anyway, I am doing masks that I've recently received in friend mail. So these are the masks I'm doing. This is from CC's Trial Size Life. And also Panning for Goals. CC has 2 channels. I'll put them below for you to find them. She recently started the panning channel. I think it was at the beginning of the year because it's a goal related channel. And she sent me these wonderful Wander eye masks, which I love. We all love these. These are just wonderful. But this particular one is not the gold ones that you're used to seeing. That's in the burgundy package. And also they come in a different color package. So sometimes. But this is the limited edition souvenir silver eye mask. So she sent me 2 of these. So one is on my face. When you open this up, there's a plastic round disc, and these are in between the 2 pieces of plastic. And they have, I don't know if it's going to catch the light right now, but they have like, oh, well, it might catch the light, but it might not. But they're silver. So I put those on already to get me started. And here is Smudge. And he was a little sick. He had conjunctivitis for a few days, but he's better now. So this whole thing isn't happening really well with these cats. But now Laura, the bargain hunter, sent me this in friend mail. And I really have been wanting to try a Sephora mask. And I recently got one in my Sephora haul because I've been wanting to try them. And they're like $6 each. So I was so happy to get this from Laura. She does like them. She's talked about them before. I've never had a Sephora mask before. They did back around, I didn't see it, or I might have bought it had I seen it. Sephora does these Sephora favorites, which they really haven't been doing much of lately as far as like the small packages. They have bigger packages that are, $50+. They might do lippies, they might do makeup, they might do skincare, and they have little deluxe samples in there, and you can pick and choose. And they had one, I think it was around Christmas. So if it comes around Christmas again, I may try to get it, where they had sheet masks in there. And I thought that was really nice, but by the time I saw it, it was already sold out. They keep stuff on their website, even when they're sold out. I don't understand it. But you click on it, you want to buy it, and it says it's sold out. So let's try this one from Laura. It is the lychee face mask. So lychee is a fruit, a Japanese fruit, I believe. Or is it a Chinese fruit? I can't remember. I know I've gotten it at an Asian restaurant, but I don't remember if it was Chinese or Japanese. They always have a tab to pull them open, most of them, and I still struggle. I'm a struggler, y'all, with opening things. So let's see what it's all about. Oh, it smells nice. It's very lightly scented, which is what you want. You don't want anything too harsh for your face, It smells a little sweet, and it does feel nice. Okay. Camille is getting in on the action here. And Smudge left. I'm sorry y'all haven't seen him very much, but he's, they're not happy with this girl. They're just not. I'm hoping that she's going to grow out of a lot of her stuff. Oh, this is nice. Now, what is that right there? Something on there. Some edging that probably the eyes and the nose and mouthpiece that were chopped off and just left in there. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I can see why they're more expensive, because the masks that fit so well that you can hardly even see that they're on your face. That's pretty cool. So let's see if I can tell you about the Allure Beauty masks. I also am going to announce the winner from my Dollar General Days of Beauty box that I got 2 weeks ago. I'll put that video below. I have a giveaway in there. It is a mystery giveaway, and I will send out a nice package to my winner. And you have to be publicly subscribed to me and to Unboxing with Arlene, because Arlene is the lady that told me about the Days of Beauty box, and I didn't even really know. I even said to her, "What is this?" when she sent me a link. I'm like, "What is this, Arlene?" And she's like, "It's a box that you can get." And I'm like, "Okay." So I thought I was entering a giveaway, and on Instagram there's lots of giveaways, and people do win. Some of my friends have won some things, and sometimes they give more than one. So if they give, say, 5 or 10 boxes or something, so I thought, well, yeah, I'll enter, sure. Well, it turned out they announced that they had the winners, or that they had the people. It was the first 5,000 people that signed up. And then some people that I know that signed up didn't get it. So they did say that it was the first 5,000 people that signed up correctly. So if you had a little problem with your signing up, you might not have got it. So anyway, let's see what this is all about. We've got, all right. I really like this. It's feeling very nice. I'll use this. And if you have a roller, it's nice to keep to help keep it on. Of course, when you do a sheet mask, when you do eye masks, you should sort of lean back and rest and take care of yourself. So the Allure Beauty Baggage Claim eye masks, that's the brand of their eye masks, and a limited edition souvenir in silver. And I think it's to leave on. It's in individually packaged silver foil eye masks, help nourish dull, tired looking skin. Experience 3 nourishing layers of luxury. The silver foil helps retain heat. That's what they say about the gold foil, that it helps retain the heat, and that helps your skin. So if you see, I have had masks, some of us have masks that are like a metal looking. It helps to retain the heat and help your skin. It's a good thing. Let's see. It prevents evaporation, allowing for maximum amount of serum to hydrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the masks to adhere better to skin. And the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. And leave on 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll probably end up leaving that on a little bit longer, because if this mask is for longer, then I'll leave it on that long. And this mask is, oh, this is only for 5 minutes. Okay. It says unfold the mask, apply of course, you always start with a clean face when you're doing masking. Remove the mask and massage any excess product into the skin, and no need to rinse. I like the kind of mask that you don't have to worry about rinsing. It's very nice. And again, I might end up being a little more than the 5 minutes on, but that's okay. It feels really good. Okay, Camille. Oh, Camille, did you see? Did you see your eye in the camera, love? Come on, you want to come over here and see everybody? We're going to announce the winner. So I will tell you that I had 91 people enter, which was very nice. Thank you so much. I talked about my rules on my Friday night gab. So I need to reiterate my rules, because some of you are not publicly subscribed. I had to pick 3 different times before I got a winner that was publicly subscribed. So 2 of you lost out, and I have good giveaways. I give good stuff out. I give good stuff out. I'm going to fill a flat rate envelope. It holds a good size box, like an Allure box or a glossy box, and I'll fill it with stuff. And sometimes if it gets too stuffed, I put stuff on the outside, you know, sheet masks and things. So it's, you know, I'm sorry, but you didn't win because you were not publicly subscribed, 2 of you. So the winner of my giveaway, my Dollar General Days of Beauty fantastic box, when it comes around next year, hopefully I'll remember and I'll remind y'all in my community tab about it, because if you get in, you know, maybe they'll even do, since this was their 8th year, as they grow in popularity, maybe they'll do it more than once a year. Maybe they'll do 10,000 boxes next year, you know. So the winner of this year, for me, I mean, not this year, you're not going to win a Days of Beauty Dollar General box. I don't have an extra one. I'm sorry, I don't mean to mislead. You're going to win something from me that I've paid with my own money. YouTube is not affiliated with this. You have to be 18 years or older. You can live anywhere in the United States or have an address in the United States for me to send your winnings to. I did ask you to use a special word, and the word was Olay, O-L-A-Y, because there was an oil of Olay product in there. And when anybody asks you to use a word, you need to put it in a sentence. You can't just say Olay. That is not nice, because you're telling everybody what the word is. We want you. The reason we do giveaways is to thank you for being here, is to thank you for watching, and it's to thank you for subscribing. So we have to know that you're subscribing by seeing publicly that you're subscribed, and use the word properly in a sentence. And there's a bunch of other rules. They're in the description. My winner is Lynn Chappelle. So if I remember, I'll put her picture at the end from the comment picker that I picked her from. And thank you, Lynn, for participating, and thank all of you for participating. I have several giveaways that are going on, and if you'd like to enter any of them, make sure you're publicly subscribed, okay? And then go ahead and enter them, and I would love to have you win. And if you're new, you're welcome to win a giveaway from me. I just need to know that you're subscribed to me. So, like I said on Friday night, and several of you did not pay attention, if you don't know what that means to be publicly subscribed, then ask me, because it's not just me. Everyone that does giveaways on YouTube wants you to be publicly subscribed. Pretty much everyone. So y'all, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm going to leave this on. It's probably time to, well, you know, let's take it off because I think it's time. I'll take it off, and then it says to pat the essence in. And oh, it feels really, really good, y'all. Really, really good. So thank you so much to CC's Trail Size Life and Panting for Goals for sending me the wonderful Wander Beauty eye masks in the limited edition silver. And thank you so much to Laura the Bargain Hunter for this wonderful mask. This essence is nice, y'all. There's a lot of it, so I'm probably going to put it on my neck and my chest, and if there's any left, I'll put it on. I like to put what I do each night, I like to put it on the back of my hands as well. You know, mine as well. So, y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, and congratulations to Lynn Chappelle. And if you all would congratulate her in the comments, that would be great. And say hey to me. Good to see y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.